Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile. We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much they keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.